the immigration program to Canada. And I'll give you the brief of about our organization as well. So first, I will start with the briefing of our organization. Just 2 minutes, they will be settled. So our company actually established in 1986. So we are here in this international immigration industry from the last 27 to 28 years. And our organization has 6 active branches in UAE, starting from Abu Dhabi. Then we have a branch, our head office in Dubai. Then we have 2 offices in Sharjah, then Al Ain and Fujairah. And we have served around 11,000 clients over the period of time. We have served around 11,000 clients over the period of time, and the last year we have served around 250 permanent resident visas to our clients. If you go to our website, you will get hundreds of testimonials of our successful clients, and we have a very good huge following on our Facebook page of 500,000. And we provide full-fledged services, which includes first the most mandatory thing is launching your profile under Express Entry. Express Entry is the immigration program of Canada. This is the mandatory thing what we are doing, and the other assistance what we are providing is that job assistance. Means we have a very defined and very good contacts in Canada because our owner of the company is native Canadian. So once you sign up to deal with us, we will start circulating your CVs as well to our connections, our respectable contacts in Canada. And if I talk about the immigration program to Canada, actually immigration is purely based on the quota system. Quota means how many immigrants any particular country is inviting. So we can say that immigration is actually based on quota system. So if the quota is open, you people means the immigrants or the applicants can start their application. If the quota is closed, so you need to wait, and you need to wait when the new quota will be launched by the particular immigration department of Canada. So the good news is for the immigration of Canada, the quota is open, and the immigration department of Canada has just came up with a new program which is known as Express Entry, and by the name itself you can judge it's a fast track program in which you might receive your permanent residence visa within 6 to 9 months time frame only. And please take note, it's an open job category program, so anyone can apply from different educational backgrounds. And the Canadian Immigration Department is just inviting 305,000 immigrants through this Express Entry program. And the further benefits of this Express Entry is once you be in the pool of Express Entry, there are 3 to 4 chances to get selected for different respectable job profiles or the nomination from the province to work in a particular province. Because in the first time of history of the immigration program to Canada, your profile become accessible in the eyes of federal government of Canada, provinces, there are 10 provinces, and the direct Canadian companies. And the privileges what you will get once you obtain your permanent residence visa is just fabulous. You will get all the social and welfare benefits, same what Canadian people have. You will get all the medical facilities free of cost. You will get the free education for your children up to high school. You will get the nationality if you work or you stay in Canada for 4 years only. And we provide full-fledged services. Not only we submit your application for the purpose of obtaining your permanent residence visa. Of course, this is the mandatory thing that we launch your profile under Express Entry program so that you can obtain your permanent residence visa. But also we provide post-landing services. I told you that we have a very good connection. So once you sign up to deal with us, we will start circulating your CVs to our connections. Once you fly down to Canada, once you obtain your permanent residence visa, once you fly down to Canada, we will guide you how to get the accommodation, a reasonable accommodation, how to open the bank account in Canada, or how to obtain the driving license. These are the surplus services which we are providing. And the Immigration Department of Canada actually has given 3 to 4 criteria so that we can fit you people as an applicant under this Express Entry program. These are: you have to be in the age bracket of 18 to 44, the minimum job experience of 1 year, you have to be completed at the minimum side of high school in the educational terms, and the last one is how good we are in English, because it's an English country. For that we need to appear in the IELTS, and there are 2 types of IELTS: academic and general. We just need the general one. And today I can initiate you people so that I can fit you people in this Express Entry program. Actually, this program has been launched in January 2015. So till yet this program has been completed 1 year, and the quota, previously we have the quota of 280,000. 15 days back they have updated the quota. The Immigration Department of Canada has been updated the quota under Express Entry program, and now we have the quota of 305,000. So still we have huge quota, until yet the Immigration Department of Canada provided the invitation to the applicants, that is 47,000. So still we have a very good amount of quota, and I am initiating you people to apply under this specific Express Entry program, because this is a very flexible and relevant program. Previously we have this Federal Skilled Workers program, in which we have a specified skilled workers list of 20 to 25 skilled workers only. Let's say if you are a doctor or nurse or engineers, they put it down in the list. If you people are into the list, then only you can apply. If you are not in the list, you cannot apply. The age bracket is only 18 to 35. Now we have an age bracket of 18 to 44. So these are the privileges of this Express Entry program. And previously they closed down the program in 2012. So the people who didn't apply in 2011 need to wait for 2014. And when they came up with new program, once they closed one program, they came up after certain period of time, they came up with new program. But they always change the rules and regulations, and it goes harder and harder, because if we see the history of the immigration, it only goes harder and harder as time goes ahead. So once you lose the program, might be you cannot qualify for the other program, because it is very tough. Means the rules and regulations become tougher and tougher as time goes ahead. And this is the program in the history of Immigration Department of Canada, that they are very flexible and relevant. We have a very good age bracket of 18 to 44, minimum job experience of 1 year only, and the education at the minimum side, high school, because in the previous program they have only 20 to 25 skilled workers list, so it created backlogs in Canada. For example, like ma'am has a company in Canada, and they need employees starting from the lower segment, then middle segment, then top segment. But in the list we have doctors, nurses, engineers, only the middle and top level segments. So it created a huge amount of backlogs of human resource in Canada. So now they are very flexible. They want applicants or immigrants from different educational backgrounds. That's why I told you that it's an open job category program. So anyone can apply from different educational backgrounds. So these are the privileges. And if I throw some light on the privileges of this permanent residence visa, once you sign up the deal with us, or after a certain period of time, once you obtain your permanent residence visa, the privileges which you will get once you have the permanent residence visa in your hand, that is just fabulous. Means you will get the nationality after 4 years. If you stay or work in Canada, you will get the nationality. You will get all the medical facilities free education up to high school, same rights what Canadian people have. So if you want to start your application, can I have one reference number, please? Thank you. So this is our professional fees, and today actually we have 2 seminars. I have completed with one seminar at 1 o'clock. So usually what we do in the seminars, we give a very good amount of discounts. So you can check. We have four modes of payment.